Hey everyone, welcome to Resilient Automation Solutions. In this first video, I want to tackle a common problem. You need to monitor a few sensors and toggle a couple of outputs, maybe an exhaust fan or a LED light. Today, I'll show you a solution where we've dropped the PLC and only use the HMI of FactoryTalk Optix to talk directly to any Ethernet IP device. Less hardware, less space, way more competitive. Let's dive in. Click the GitHub link in the description. When you arrive at the GitHub repo page, click the green code button to clone or download the zip file. Extract the zip. You'll need to rename folder to generic class. This step is important because Optix references the folder name during compilation. Once renamed, we're ready to open the project. Open the newly named folder and launch the generic class Optix Studio project file. The first time you open it, Optix will compile the code. You'll see Build Succeeded at the bottom. If not, use the compile icon from the control bar on top. This is your direct, controller-free bridge to the I/O hardware. Let's see where the magic happens. Under Screen 1, you'll find a single C# file named Runtime NetLogic 1. It builds the entire GUI dynamically, manages the Ethernet IP connection, and runs at a predefined I/O update loop. No PLC, no middleware. You can customize it, but right now it is ready to use. Now let's configure the app for your device with Visual Studio. Open the generic class.sln file from the NetSolution folder. I've used a Balluff BNI00K6, but the code works with any Ethernet IP adapter, and you don't need a controller to make it work. All you change are these constants at the top of the file: the IP address, the input, output, configuration instance IDs, and the data sizes. The values I've used come directly from the Balluff user manual. I'll put that reference in the description. For your own device, just look up the assembly instances in its EDS file or manual and update these numbers. That's it. No PLC programming required. Back in Optix Studio, hit the Start Emulator button. The application will launch, connect directly to the I/O device, and immediately read its identity. Look at that. As soon as the emulator opens, we see the module's identity: vendor, product name, serial number. All read straight from the hardware in real time. This confirms the direct connection is solid. Just below the identity, our 16 input bytes update live, perfect for checking sensors without any controller. Now for control, I'll set both out 0 and out 1 to 255. Instantly, all 16 channels would turn on, and in 0 and in 1 reflect corresponding value. Next, I'll reset both of them back to 0 to switch off everything. That's the entire workflow. Stop the emulator, and you're right back in the development environment. You can modify the UI or scale it to more bytes for your device. This is the foundation for I/O control with FactoryTalk Optix. This sample code eliminates the cost and footprint of an extra controller for simple I/O tasks. You can download the complete source code from the link in the description, along with the Balluff reference manual. If you have any questions about this integration, or if you need help connecting a different Ethernet IP device without a PLC, reach out through my website. I'm happy to help you make your automation simpler, smaller, and more competitive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical industrial automation content. Thanks for watching.